Another day, it's another Elcamino video for us, and it's going to be on removing these side pieces of grass. You can see the grass is right here, and they are glued in. You can see over time the glue is just oozing out, and all it is kind of like a tar, like a bead that you rolled out in the old days. And you would think these would roll down, maybe roll into this, but no, GM just put fixed grass right here. And that being a fixed grass, you can see it just sets in, and they got some metal tabs you have to remove down on the bottom, up top, and it's behind this piece. Don't panic, this piece, I actually got a video on removing this. It's got a bolt hole here and a bolt hole down there, got a 4-way, and it comes across, and it just clips in up top. You see the clip? The other side's the same way. Now you can see a good view of this. Up top you can see. And what we're going to have to do is cut this out by taking a flexible putty knife and just working it. Or you can use a box cutter and just keep working it till it's all cut out. And then this window will give away and you can push it out. But you got to remove these first. So those look to be an 8mm. So I got all the bolts out. I'm just going to gently take something and pry it loose right here. And I guess I was wrong about the 2 screws, because that's actually 2 bolts behind this, so it needed to come off if you wanted to get those out. I needed to repair some rust. Oh, I missed rust anyway. So those is 932. They are. Okay, I'll take these out. Does this just got snap clips in it? I bet it does. You want to be gentle with these. They make a special tool so you don't break this. But mine's so brittle, you can see they just break due to age. So we're going to be gentle with it. We can replace clips, but the piece of chrome, you would have to buy new. And it looks like you can just tap these down right here, and they on snap. Like, but how you gonna do that with the trim though? So I guess you gotta just actually use them one way and just be gentle with it. Oh, that's a piece of chrome that's gonna get bent all the hell in the bed of the Elcamino. So now I'm gonna take a knife and carve this shit out. And now we can address the rust. I bought one of these from Lowe's at $9. Comes with 5 extra braids. Should do what we need to do. What we're going to do is just take it and shove it up in there and just keep cutting at it till we get this window loose. And this being old and oh, did you see it move? I seen it move. And this being old and a hot day, once this gets moving, because we're doing this in the sun, the window's just gonna fall right out. And don't cut towards yourself. If you do, you gotta be very careful. The side, a flexible knife would be good. You know, we don't have a flexible knife, do we? We got this. And once you get it moving a little bit, you can keep working it, and it should fall right out. Let's see. Here we go. Gotta get underneath this. This is so hard. So hard. From age and sun. Gotta get the glue though. Whoop. One-handed, always fun. I need to get me a GoPro tripod. I don't know if you can buy this part. I would say you could. If you wanted to keep it, you might want to take this off. However it comes off, I don't know. But we need to get down now to the glue, which we did. And I bet it's loose enough to push out. Well, half my quarter panel don't go with it. Piece of grass. That easy to remove. Put it back here where it get broke. I'm gonna go ahead to the other side. Hopefully I can get a video on removing the headliner and the back window, because there ain't many videos on these Elcaminos. There's a lot of them that people enjoy and fix up, but nobody makes much content on them. So that's just some content. Like, subscribe, and parts that I don't need off this I will be putting on eBay, so check the eBay store out, link in the description. That back window grass, if I don't keep it and we use it, like when I chop this, if it can't be cut down to fit somewhere else, then it will be for sale. I think it's OEM. Thanks for watching.